Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Peugeot 3008 Allure. It is a 2-litre diesel automatic that has only had 4 previous owners. This car is full of high-tech features as well as looks beautiful, and that can be seen from your LED daytime running lights. You've also got the exterior colour in red, which looks super vibrant and is so eye-catching. Now your 18-inch Icauna alloy wheels really do go with the red exterior colouring to create a sporty looking car, which perfectly goes with the Peugeot 3008 name. The next car also comes with chrome door mirrors as well as chrome window surrounds, and you've also got rear privacy glass. Now the rear privacy glass means that any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot will be that much more safe and secure from prying eyes. Now going into the boot, there is loads of room available to you, so this makes it perfect for family settings, as you can fit large items like prams or luggage when going away with the family easily in this car. Now your boot flooring can also be brought down so you can have a deeper boot, or you can keep it up at the level it is so you can have more privacy storage. Now that means you can put valuable possessions in this boot and it'll be nice and safe. Now the rear seats do fold forward to create an extended boot, so if you need any extra room, that is where you can get that. Lifting up the boot flooring, you've also got underboot storage where you can keep a spare tyre and any other accessories that you don't want on show. They are neatly stored here so it doesn't ruin the overall look of the car, and then all you have to do is put the boot flooring back down on top of it and it will hide it all away. This boot space really is something special, and it's the main feature that stands out with this car. But going on to your rear seats now, you can see they are made out of this full black leather with a dynamic trim that runs down the middle. This just adds so much more of a comfortable look and feel to the car while still being stylish and high tech. The rear seats do come with ISOFIX points, so if you need to attach child seats to this car, you can easily do so here, and it'll give you peace of mind that they'll be safe and secure. Also included in the rear is these privacy hiding spots, which can also be hidden underneath mats. This is where you can put more valuable possessions and they'll be nice and safe, giving you and your passengers peace of mind. Going on to the passenger side now though, you can see you've got that chrome trim that runs across the door panelling and also continues on your Peugeot tread plate at the bottom of the door. On your dashboard, you have got these chrome trims that run around the fans, so it really does bring all the little details of the car together. Now, just like in the rear seats, you've got these full black leather seating with that dynamic trim running down the middle, completing the whole look of the car. On your driver's side, you have got a driver's display, and it shows that the car has done 55,560 miles, so there's plenty of miles left for this car to do. Another added high-tech feature of this car is you've got your heads-up display. Now this shows you how fast the car is going, easily at eye level. Now down here, you have also got your electronic handbrake as well as a 12-volt charging point. You've also got a dual climate control. Now the great thing about a dual climate control is that you can adjust one side without affecting the other side. So if you like it colder than your passengers, you can easily adjust it and it won't affect them. You've also got your fan control and where the fans are positioned, so if you want it blowing in your face or down at your feet, this is where you will be able to control all the different features. Now just above that is your buttons to control your main display. You can see you've got radio as well as navigation, phone, and then your overall settings. Going on to your main display, and it can be found on your dashboard, you can see here that you have got your navigation as well as the main screen for the car. Onto radio, you've got FM and AM radio stations, which gives you a huge range of different stations to choose from, and it covers every type of genre of music, so whatever you are into, this car will have you covered. Also going on to phone, this means you can connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth to make or receive calls, or without even having to pick your phone up. It also means that you can listen to your own music, as the phone will be connected to the car via Bluetooth, so it tailors the drive of the car that much more to you. Also included with this car is navigation. Now you can input a destination, or you can just have the map up for peace of mind. It is completely up to you what you choose. It's super easy to use and it's responsive, so if you need to know where you are quickly, you'll have no problem at all. With a dial, you can zoom in and out, so you can have your different distances. So if you like to be closer or further away, it is completely up to you. When the car is put into reverse, you can see that rear parking sensors with a camera comes up. This just gives you an idea if there's any objects that you may have missed in your rear view mirrors, and will clearly highlight it on the screen, limiting the amount of damage done to the car while reversing or manoeuvring. Now to put down the screen, all you have to do is click this button and it will smoothly go into the dashboard. So if you don't want it on show, this is where you can hide it. Also included with this car is a panoramic sunroof. It is controlled by this button and the shade moves effortlessly back to reveal such a beautiful panoramic sunroof. This car also comes with one key as well as service history. So with the service history, you'll know the background of the vehicle and how the previous owners have taken care of it. So that was the Peugeot 3008 Allure that is now available at Motor Match Stafford. If you like the look of this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474.